All right, so we're going to talk about how to use the Graphical Analysis app by Vernier to input data and analyze data manually. So you're first up, you're going to open up your Graphical Analysis app and you're going to type new experiment. And then you're going to choose manual entry. So for manual entry, what you're going to do is you're first going to conduct your investigation or your experiment, and you should have a table right next to you, written on a piece of paper with all your data on it. And what you want to do is just use this app to graph it and get an equation for the line. So what we're going to do is we're going to click manual entry, and we'll see that now we've got a graph and an empty data table. Now, first thing what you want to do is you want to exit out by tapping experiments on the top left, and then tap on the title. And we always want to be organized. So today what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say position versus time for an example. Oops. Already taken, so I will call that 1. So position versus time 1. If you don't do this, you will end up with a collection of a bunch of things and you won't know what's what. So you want to be organized moving forward. Now, I'm going to hit column options for X, and it'll allow me to rename this. So on my data table next to me, I've got time as the X-axis, and time I've measured in seconds, so I will write seconds for units. Done. And for the Y column, I'm going to tap column options, and I've got position. And whatever I measured unit the position in, and this time I use meters. So I will write in meters and done. Okay, so at this point, I'm now free to type in all of my data points. And we're just going to go and go into an empty cell by double tapping. 1, 1, and I'm going to keep hitting next. So when I hit next, notice that the cursor moves to the right, does not move down. So just keep that in mind when you're typing things in, and keep your eye on the screen. And I'm just making these points up. Let's say 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. And that's it for now. So there you go. This app has just plotted everything for me. And what we can do now is we can apply a best fit line. And in order to do that, we're going to tap on the little graph near the origin on there. And then we're going to say apply the curve fit. Okay, so with this curve fit, you're able to fit it to any of these shapes. Typically in physics, we'll use linear. So I'll keep it as linear. And in this data box to the right, you'll see that it's gotten all of my values for slope-intercept form. It tells me that the slope is 1 and the y-intercept is 0 and all that good stuff. And there you go. How to use manual entry in graphical analysis.